How long was Carmela at the vet?
3 days.
When she left the vet after 3 days, she had been diagnosed with parvo. What were her symptoms?
She was just groggy and not very dog-like. I don't know how to explain it. She wasn't loving, she was just sickly.
What was she like when you took her out of the vet?
The vet called me and...
Don't tell me what the vet told you.
Get her.
Don't tell me what the vet told you.
The dog was in prime condition to come home.
The dog seemed fine.
Yes.
And if I called Animal Kingdom, you have that number?
Yes, ma'am.
They would tell me that the dog was released and had been tested and was free from parvo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Sarah, do this for me, please. Take that number, go in the roving room, call Animal Kingdom. Tell them that you're calling from Judge Judy Scheinlin. We're calling about Cooper Curry's dog, Carmela, that was released from Animal Kingdom end of July of this year. The dog had had parvo. Would you find out from the vet whether the dog was free from parvo when the dog was released from the vet?
Sure.
Would you do that? Thank you. If you have any problem with them, let me know. Then you don't have, the answer is that you don't have records of that puppy. That was the puppy that died. How old was the puppy?
When he died, he was about 14 weeks. He was 14 weeks.
Sarah?
Yeah, got a lot of information.
Okay.
So Carmela was diagnosed on 7/12/21 with not only parvo, but intestinal parasites as well. And she had a hospital stay until approximately the 14th in hospital, where she was treated and picked up. And then there was a revisit with a strict instruction to not be around any other dogs, as it was still a highly contagious disease. She revisited on August 23rd for her second vaccine.
August 23rd.
Of 2021.
That's his dog?
Yes.
August 23rd.
For a revisit after the hospital stay, where she received her second vaccine, which was a combo vaccine, including for parvo, with, again, another instruction not to be around any other puppies or dogs and not to purchase any more puppies and dogs until she was revisited. But there was no negative test result when she left.
No negative?
She said there would not have been a negative test result, but she left with the second dose of the vaccine and the strict instruction to not be around other dogs.
Your Honor, I was homeless, and she was allowing me
I
to
don't
move
care
in.
whether you were homeless, hapless, sad, snowflake. I don't care. It's irrelevant to me. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Now, I don't know if you have family. Your family may care about you. I, on the other hand, do not. I, on the other hand, have an idiot who was given specific instructions not to have their dog around other dogs, and you specifically didn't listen. And whether you're homeless or not, who gives a rat's behind?
Well, I had paid rent to move into her house, and I was supposed to be moving in, and she
I don't
wasn't
care if
there.
you move in. You're not going to give her dog parvo.
She wasn't supposed to be there.
It doesn't matter.
It does.
She was
supposed to be there.
there.
She wasn't supposed to be.
She was there.
She wasn't
fool.
supposed to be.
She was there, fool.
She was not supposed
She
to
was
be
there.
there.
Listen.
No,
You don't understand.
you listen to
you
me.
Don't
She wasn't supposed to be
I'm supposed
there.
to listen to you. I'm supposed to listen to him.
Yeah.
Cut off his mic. He's not only homeless, maybe a little high, maybe a little stupid. I'm not exactly sure which one.
All three.
Maybe all three. You were told by the vet not to have your dog around other dogs. Do you understand that? You understand that?
Yes.
And when you're told not to have your dog around other dogs, and you're supposed to be a dog lover, then whether she's there or not there, if she's there, she's got her dogs there, you're not supposed to take your dog near her dogs. That's what you were told, that it's a highly contagious disease. Don't take your dog near other dogs. That's what you were told. Can I see your vet bills, please? You have anything else to do with this case anymore? I already dismissed your counterclaim. You can sit down.